You want to waive the arraignment?
Yeah, waive a formal reading, waive the arraignment, stand mute. Do we talk with, I don't know how we do it on Zoom.
Waive the arraignment? I'm sorry, I had another thing going. So normally, I guess you'll have to get in contact with the prosecutor for this courtroom.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, do we have a number for the prosecutor or just the city attorney's office?
Yes, Your Honor. It's three.
Go ahead.
Just right now?
Yes, please. I'm sorry.
It's 313-224-2090.
And that's the city attorney, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, and we'll just set this for pretrial on the 27th.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, we're not going to go on the record, so.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge. I'll see you then, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Werblin, how you doing today?
Good afternoon to you, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good, sir.
Who do you get?
Judge, I had Marshall Akins,
Okay.
and I was just trying to see if I could get a pretrial date for him, Your Honor.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Marshall Akins, case SP 1123540 and SP 1123539. Mr. Werblin, can you put your appearance on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worley on behalf of Mr. Akins.
He's not in the room, is he?
He's not, Judge. For purpose of the arraignment, may I waive his appearance?
Sure.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, can we put it on the 27th?
Perfect, Your Honor.
All right, these matters will be set for pretrial April 27th.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Jesus Tambaras. Is that a retained?
What was the name, Your Honor?
Jesus Tambaras.
No, that was a defendant, Your Honor. He has a retained attorney.
He has a retained attorney?
Yes.
You know the retained attorney's name?
It was, what was it? It was C-A-N-Z-A-N-O, Casano.
Okay. I got him now. Mr. Canzano?
Hi, my angel. You're welcome. I love you.
Mr. Canzano, can you hear me?
Roger's back. Sorry about that. There I am. There we go.
All right.
Hi, my angel. You're welcome. I love you.
State of Michigan versus Jesus Tambaras. Case
Hi, my angel. You're welcome. I love you.
H013650. Sir. Okay. It looks like there's no authorization codes on any of these tickets. This matters are going to be dismissed without prejudice due
Your
to
Honor, are you waiting for me for something?
Ms. Fulmar.
You were frozen for a while.
Oh, am I still frozen?
I can't hear you.
Can anybody hear me?
I can hear you.
You're
This
not
is Roger.
frozen, Your
This
Honor.
is Roger
You're
comes
not
down over
frozen.
there.
Okay.
You know what? Okay, I think that was on my end. I had my phone, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
I
Okay.
can hear you a little bit.
Okay. So we're hearing, we have Mr. Canzano's ticket. His client is Mr. Is it Tabaras?
Yes, it is, Judge.
Okay. And I'm dismissing this ticket because there are no authorization codes on the ticket. So I'm dismissing it for a defective ticket.
Thank you.
And that's without prejudice.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Canzano, do you got anything further?
What ticket is that? He had three. Let's see. He had proof of insurance on him, but
Oh, so I got improper plate, failure to stop at red light, and no proof of insurance, which was a warning.
right. He had proof of insurance. It was in the car, and he had registration.
Yeah, we're not even gonna get to that yet because they didn't fill this ticket out all the way. These are railroad police.
Okay. Railroad.
Yeah. It's always a problem when they send one, so that's it. All right, do you have anything further, sir?
No, except I guess all. What number was with this? Just give me the numbers. That's all I care.
H013650 counts 1, 2, and 3.
There you go. Okay, got it. Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too. Next, I have Reginald Allen. Mr. Allen, sir, can you hear me?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Let me call these cases. This is State of Michigan versus Reginald Allen, case SP 1125279, counts 1 and 2. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Reginald Andre Allen.
Okay. Mr. Allen, your birth date is September 13th?
Correct.
Okay, sir, it looks like you took care of the civil infractions associated with this ticket, so I'm going to dismiss these two cases. These two
Okay.
cases are dismissed pursuant to an agreement.
Okay. Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. You're all set.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I got Lewis Anderson.
Okay.
Mr. Anderson, sir, can you hear me?
Judge, can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Let me call these cases. This is State of Michigan versus Lewis Anderson. Cases SP 109248, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 109247, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 105-12901. SP 110-10471. SP 11339-561. SP 1145072, counts 1, 2, and 3. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Lewis Tabrice Anderson.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, looks like you got a gang of tickets in like 3 months.
Yeah, everybody's picking on me about the truck.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, sir.
Sir, I'll make you a deal today. Plead to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, which is a
Okay.
2-point offense. I'm going to fine you $300, and I'm going to dismiss the rest of the tickets that I called.
All I'm gonna say is thank you, Judge.
Do you want to take that offer today?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, could you raise your right hand?
I don't know if you can see me, Judge, but I am.
I believe you. Sir, do you
Okay.
promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, Mr. Anderson, sir, do you understand that you can take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you something other than what we just talked about?
No, sir.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of October 16th, 2020. Sir,
Yes,
were you
sir.
pulled over in the area of Puritan and Burwood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, at that time, did you fail to display a valid license to the police officer?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, I'm going to accept your plea as to case SP 110-1047. As a result of that plea, well, that's a plea to the amended charge of failure to display a valid license. As a result of that plea, I'm going to dismiss cases P101-248, P101-247, P113956, and P105-1290. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine of $300. Mr. Anderson, when do you believe you can pay that by?
Right now I'll say about at least 3 weeks because I'm still waiting on my unemployment to come in. I haven't received none
Anderson,
this
say
month.
no more. I'm going to give you to May 17th.
Okay, May 17th, sir.
Yes, sir. If you don't have it paid by that date, just zoom back in and ask for some more time.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions, sir?
Have a good day, Judge.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
Theron Anderson, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, I'm going to put you in the waiting room until we call your case. There are a couple other folks ahead of you, okay?
Okay, thank you. I didn't know how this worked. I just clicked on it. Thank you.
Hey, it's no problem.
All right, thank you.
Ted Anderson is a dismissal.
Very well, Your Honor.
Mr. Anderson, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Ted Anderson, case SP 1125308. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Ted Mark Anderson.
Okay, Mr. Anderson, sir. It looks like you took care of your civil infraction, so I'm going to dismiss this ticket. Case is
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Mr. Altalaquani,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, cool. I'm going to call your cases. My name is Judge Williams.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Hassan Al-Talakani.
Okay, State of Michigan versus Alatakani, case SP 11607-261. Also calling cases SP 1121531, counts 1 and 2. SP 115-11721. Sir, could you state your name for the record one more time?
Hassan Al-Talakani.
Okay. Sir, the two matters that are up today are one count of improper plates and one count of no insurance. I called you some other tickets that you have scheduled for later dates, and I wanted to offer you a deal today if you wanted to try to resolve these tickets. I know that you have another matter coming up, a felony matter, but if you plead to the one count of improper plates, I'll dismiss the charge of no insurance and the ticket for loitering, as well as the no proof of insurance out of that gun charge. And I give you a day credit for the time that you spend in custody. Close the matters today.
I appreciate that and everything, but I got a question.
Yes, sir.
The felony charge, I didn't get hit with nothing, right? Because I mean, they ruled it as the person that was with me, he had a charge from previous time, same kind of charge, same gun charge. And it, it was on him and it was next to him and whatever. And they kicked me out. They said charges denied. They told me the only thing I'm going to be called for is the loitering.
It looks like you got an exam scheduled. Oh, wait a second. I take that back. That's a different person.
Ooh,
I apologize.
No problem. Thank you very much. Just making sure, because that's.
How about this? Were you arrested at the time though?
I was. I got took in with him together. We were.
Oh, okay.
I was there
How much time were you in custody?
About 2 days.
Okay, so my deal will still stand. I give you improper plates. I dismiss the rest of the cases that I called, and give you credit for the time that you were in custody. And proper plates, no points.
Thank you very much. Is there a fine for that?
We're gonna use the time that you spend in custody as the sentence. So you'll
Thank
be
you
done
very much.
after.
I appreciate that so much, man.
Do you want to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to
Yes,
tell
sir.
the truth, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Directing well, sir, let me ask you this. You understand that you have the right to go to trial on the matters that I called?
Yes, I do.
Okay, directing your attention to the date of October 11th, 2020, where you pulled over in the area or in front of 16179 Whitlock.
Yes, sir.
All right, at that time, were you driving with the proper plates?
Yes, I was.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea as to case SP 1121531. Going to dismiss count 2 as well as case 115-11721 pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine. No fine, give you 2 days credit time served. And that concludes
thank
the
you.
matter.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right. And that concludes it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So am I good to go?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it again.
You're welcome. I got possession of cocaine. I'm inclined to set this for trial, Ms. Fomar, but I'll see if she'd like to discuss the matter.
Okay.
Ms. Toronto? Ma'am, can you hear me? I think you're on mute.
Yes, I can now.
Okay. All right, the state of Michigan versus Michelle Toronto, case U582-58520. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record?
Michelle Torano.
Okay, Ms. Toronto, you're charged with 1 count of possession of narcotics, cocaine. Ma'am, this is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Ma'am, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Ms. Taranto, I'm inclined to set this for a trial date to see if the people are ready to proceed, at the time of the trial. But if you'd like to talk to an attorney right now, I can put you in a private room to discuss your options going forward.
Yes, please.
Okay, Ms. Fomar, can I put you in a room with Ms. Toronto? Sorry,
Yes, you can,
sorry,
Judge.
I mispronounced your name, ma'am. So Ms. Taranto, just open the room when you see the sign. Just join the message.
Okay.
Oh. Who's this? Via Malakis Ruben. Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Could you tell me your name?
Ruben Avila.
Okay, give me 1 second here. Ruben Avila, hold tight 1 second. I got to do one case before yours. All right, Miss Taranto, Miss Fomar.
Your Honor, respectfully, my client wishes to avail herself of a bench trial date.
Okay. Madam Clerk, what's our next available trial date?
It's June 10th, Your Honor, at 9 o'clock.
Okay, so we'll take the matter for June 10th, 2021 at 9 o'clock.
Zoom or in person?
Zoom.
Okay. I'd let Miss Fulmer know also, since that date, I have moved in with my parents and I also have a new phone number.
Oh, excellent. So let's see here. Could you chat me your address and phone number, and I will make sure that we put it in the court file.
I don't want to do it to everyone, correct? I just want to do it to
No,
you.
Just to Judge Williams. So we won't put it all over the screen. That's why I do the chat.
It's Judge Williams?
Yes. Oh, Larry Williams, it says.
Okay.
WC CR437.
I see that. That's not cool. Caps locks on that. Oh, there it is.
Okay, I think I got it. 1 second here. Okay, I'm just gonna read the numbers, not the street or the city. 2232?
Correct.
Okay. All right, man, we'll see you on the trial date.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
No.
Okay, Ruben Alvia. You still there?
Yes.
1 second. I was just looking up the case. My name is Judge Williams. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is the person I'm talking with Ruben?
May you say that again?
Is the person I'm talking with Ruben?
No, I'm translating for him. He's right next to me.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this on the date where we have is first language Spanish?
Yeah.
Spanish translators, if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do well, how about this? Can you guys come Wednesday morning?
On Zoom.
Well, just Zoom Wednesday morning.
Zoom Wednesday morning
Yes.
with the Spanish translator, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna have an interpreter for the Zoom hearing, and I know I have interpreters on Wednesdays.
Okay.
Let me give you a different Zoom ID number.
Okay. Can I get let me get a pen for me to write it down.
Okay, I appreciate it. And Madam Clerk,
Thank
can
you.
you put this on my docket? 335.
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
I do the community court, so I've got translators every week.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me your name?
My name?
Yes.
Brandy Cruz.
Okay, Miss Cruz, thank you for helping us out today.
You're welcome.
And just let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so the ID number is 360
360
335
335
00
00
00.
00.
Yep.
Okay.
Zoom in Wednesday around 9 o'clock.
At 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let's see who this is. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Can you tell me your name?
My name's Eric Taylor.
Okay, let me call your case, Mr. Taylor. This is State of Michigan versus Eric Taylor, case Z808-101. Mr. Taylor, sir, you're charged with one count of driving while intoxicated with a high blood alcohol content level. Sir, that is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in the Wayne County Jail or $500 fine. Sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Mr. Taylor, sir, at this point, I'm going to set a pretrial date for you. If you'd like to talk with an attorney about your options going forward today, I can put you in a room, a private room, so you can talk without me hearing right now.
Yes, sir. And I had a question for you on I went to court not it pertains to this case, sir.
Okay.
They added some tickets after the fact, and the other judge told me that there was nothing else pending. I think I might have a warrant for a ticket. Is there any way that I can resolve that and add it to this case?
Let's see here. Whatever, I'm going to put you in the room with an attorney, and in the meantime, I'm going to look and see if you got anything extra going on, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Judge, can you tell me what his alleged BAC was?
Sure. .212.
Okay, thank you.